Hi friends, this is session 6. In this session, I shall discuss about the career in construction management, which plays most responsible role in project management. A construction manager of any discipline is a bridge between the project manager and the planning section of any kind of project at the time when construction is in progress. Now, let me discuss in brief the Construction Management Association of America, that is CMAA, states the most familiar responsibilities for a successful construction manager like project management planning, cost and time management, quality management, contract administration and safety, that is HSC, human safety and environment management, along with construction management professional practices. Now, the tips to be a successful construction manager are to develop a solid game plan, select and place the right team in right place, should have sound documentation practice to facilitate real-time collaboration and communication. The waterfall model has 6 stages requirements: analysis, design, coding, testing, and deployment. The conclusion is, if your choice is construction management as future career, it also will give you a challenging future growth as key role in project management team. Of course, with excellent package and career. In the next session, I shall discuss about the role and career growth opportunity in inspection management. If you like my session, please comment, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you to be with me in my session.